Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn dark mode on TikTok PC. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your TikTok on your PC from your local browser. After that, log into your profile and you'll find this profile button which is on the top right corner of your screen. Just hover over it and you'll find dark mode right here. To turn into dark mode, all you gotta do is click on this button right here and it will be turned into dark mode. It's easy and simple. And that's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.